Hey guys, today I have a quick little video all about my nails. I know this is going to be super exciting and a super thrilling video for us all, but I wanted to show you guys a cute, quick manicure, I don't know, nail sort of situation that lasts a really long time, looks super cute, and very easy to like update if you know your nails start to grow. But it's just a really cute idea, and I've seen a couple of other, I don't know where I saw it, online, a BuzzFeed article, I have no idea, but I just thought it was really cute and I really liked how it looked, and I just want to show you guys, give you guys an idea in case you hadn't seen that article wherever it was from. Alright, so I don't know if you can even see, here are my nails. They have grown out a significant amount, which is why there's such a gap in between, but you can see that it's just basically little sparkles and the plain nail behind, and I just think it's so cute. Lasts forever. If it chips, you can't even tell because it's just random sparkles on your nails. And then basically right now I'm just going to paint over what I have and just show you how quick and easy it is to achieve such an easy look. And I mean, that's pretty much it. That's like the video. So let's just get into me painting my nails. It'll probably be in hyper speed just because I don't think it's that exciting to watch people paint their nails, if like for me to do it, because I'm not like, I can't aesthetically do it because I'm bad at painting my nails, but like for people that are really nice, I do actually like watching people paint their nails. Is that weird? Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out all my other Vlogmases. I think this is 9. I think it's the 9th. But yeah, check it out. Check out all my other Vlogmases. I will have a playlist, and let's get into this one. Wow, so you really don't even really have to speed this video up very much because this is coat number 1, and actually this is the only coat I'm going to do. The awesome other thing about these polishes is if you just go with like this cute glitter look, is you don't really have to be super careful on the edges because it's just basically just tiny glitters inside of the solution. So if you do get any, it's just really easy to wipe off. You don't have to worry about it. Also, you saw how quick that was. This one is from Walmart, and I really like this brand of nail polish. I don't know like Sinful Colors, they might sell at other places, but I see it at Walmart. It's very cheap, and I really like the cool effect that this gives. And yeah, that was just so quick. So let's do the other hand, and then this will probably be dry. The other awesome thing about this polish is how quick it dries. So we'll do this one, get the other hand done, and I've got another glitter I kind of want to put on top just to see if it looks even more Christmassy. So that's what I'm going to use is a really cool, super awesome, beautiful glitter. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. It's like holographic and just gorgeous. This is actually from the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique that they give you when you get like a makeover there. So pretty, this glitter. Oh my gosh, I love this. And yeah, so this is, the bottle's really cute too. So this is what we're going to do our second coat on our nails as. Okay, so there is the glitter. It is so pretty. It's a little chunkier than I remember it being. I almost wish it had like the same sort of scattered effect that the other one did. But it is so pretty. It's like super Christmassy. You've got the gold, you've got the red underneath. I just think this is so adorable. Now this one will be a little bit more noticeable, I think, like once your nail grows out a little bit. So honestly, like this kind is so perfect if you just wanted to do a super quick manicure where it's just like you're done, you've got it over with, it lasts you like a week or two until your nails grow out, you just pop on another coat and you're good to go. So I do love that about this, but I just think this adds like a little bit of an extra Christmassy cute vibe. Yeah, so let's do the other hand. So that is the look on that one. I just think that these nails just are so freaking cute, so quick and easy to do. I mean, it's really not hard to stay within the lines. It doesn't have to be perfect. And so those are the nails polishes that I use. So I'm just going to pop on this top coat really quick just so that the glitters don't get like caught and stuck on anything, because that does happen with any thicker glitter polish. Plus this one dries really quick and then you're done. Like literally, how long is this video so far? This has taken 7 minutes to do all of my nails with this talking. So, and that's 2 coats, 2 glitters. So let's do this really quick and see how fast we can have it done. That is it. That is my nails. Those are so freaking cute. I love this for just like every day or like a holiday party or something like that. They just look really cute, festive, and fun. And how easy they are to maintain is just the icing on the freaking cake. I am telling you, if you want the easiest to maintain nails, just do something like this really light glitter here and just pop it over your natural nail and you will love it. And just top it off every week or 2 once your nails start to grow out and you notice a difference, and you'll be so happy. And I just love how this turned out with like the chunkier glitter as well. Yeah, I just think that it's so cute and festive. So that is my video for today. I hope you guys like my new nails. So shiny and pretty. Anyway, that's my video with my new nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just with like a super cute, easy idea of how to paint your nails, but without like the so long hassle of like having to wait them to dry for so long. Glitter is definitely the way to go. It is a little bit of a pain to remove, especially the chunkier one. Like this one does take some soaking to get it back off, but this one is not so bad. It's because it's such a thin glitter consistency, it's really not that bad. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy video nail tutorial situation. I don't even know, but go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out all my other social media check out all of my other social media places. What are they called? So check out my social media links, that's what I'm trying to say, down below, and check out my other Vlogmas videos. I have a playlist listed, and I think that's it. So I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!